It is time once again for the Law and You, and tonight we're talking about a hip injury. Joining us once again, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. And Greg, looks like you're getting a little sun.
I'm out a lot.
Enjoying the summer.
No sun here. I'm locked in the office.
Holding down the fort. We got to take advantage of the weather. It's been it's a good couple of weeks so far here in summer. And here's our question tonight. Not a good week for Sid in Hazleton because he says his mother was in a nursing home and fell and broke her hip. The nursing home did not detect the break for 3 weeks. Do we have a case against the nursing home? What does Sid in Hazleton have to do here?
Sid, I probably need a little bit more information, to be perfectly honest with you. I mean, it sounds a little bit, you know, it doesn't sound like the nursing home did everything that they should have been doing. First of all, most nursing homes have fall precautions for their residents. So if your mom, if they weren't adhering to those fall precautions and your mom fell as a result of that, then clearly they're negligent. But need to have a little bit more information on the extent of her, of her injuries. What's going on with her hip. Has this delay caused her any additional problems? Is she going to have any additional surgeries? So really just need to figure out kind of, what's going on there before we can give you an idea of whether you really have a case, or your mom rather has a case.
And when Ed's talking about information, we need to see medical records, nursing home records, any paper, imaging,
Yeah.
all the films. So all of that is information. So when we always suggest that the clients get the records, so when we get them, we can review them during the meeting, and then we request a second set just to make sure everything matches up. So it's important that you reach out, get that information, and get in, bring them in the office as quickly as possible.
And then we often hear that people often have difficulty obtaining their medical records. So our viewers that may be in a situation like that, they request them, they have problems, they can give you a call, right?
Absolutely. I just helped somebody last week with it. Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Yeah, they are your medical records. They're not, the facility doesn't own them. They are your medical records. You are absolutely entitled to them under HIPAA and under the High Tech Act. So you certainly are entitled to those records.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks.
Take care.
All right, don't forget PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are 2 ways to get a question on the show.